So what's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's my e-ink display review of the Onyx Boox Nova. So as you can see, the display is quite good. Let me make the font size a little bit smaller. This is better. So yeah, I wanna review the e-ink display. For reading is definitely good. For example, now let me open some another text, something like Chinese text to demonstrate you much better. So yeah, the reading experience is quite good as you can see. Let me change the light. Okay, I want to change the font light to, let me make a little bit lower this one. Yeah, so the reading is quite good. I mean, literally the reading is quite good. Storage. Okay, now I wanna show you some images so you can have a better understanding. Let me go to wallpaper, portrait. Come on. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, I mean, the display is quite beautiful. The display is quite beautiful. I'm honest here. The display 300 ppi is amazing. So my conclusion is that this is an amazing 300 ppi display, which is a must buy. So it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye. I hope you like it. Literally, I can keep going on for like an hour talking about the display, but the display is already so much awesome. I don't know what left to say. The display is just so much awesome, to be honest with you. This is a beautiful, sexy display. Subscribe and bye.